Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
I have used your money. Don't worry. I think nothing was happening. Fizz is about to reach one bill.
Yes, look at my money. It's
Very, very swag.
very
Yes.
swag.
Huh? Okay, right there. It's stuck in the little piece of rock that ceases to exist. Let's rob. Let's rob. Like we got like 2 more stores.
All right, jewelry, and then we'll rob whatever's opened.
We'll just rob jewelry again. I guess. All right.
Ow! Why am I low HP?
Oh, I got that. I got an accident. Great. Going around here.
Sit here and sell the gems. Come back. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper.
Stop. Please.
Wait, is that copyright? Copyrighted?
No. How is hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper gonna be copyrighted?
Not sponsored by Burger King. Why won't they sponsor us?
Why would they? Then we go. I spotted. Nah, Fizz knows about the glitch.
Bro, we barely went up in cash. Tomb, the new tomb robbery.
Yeah.
See how much we improved.
But no one approved.
We're
We died, bro.
We're experienced.
Help. What? Somebody. Oh, I'm not lagging here. How weird.
I love talking in spaces.
Oh, wow. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something bad happened. Help. Oh, this guy here. Oh, lifesaver.
We're about to get 7K off of this. Then one more robbery.
Every user will be the last robbery. This is just gonna be like an incredibly short video.
Ooh, look at my cash.
McDouble, McCheeseburgers, quarter pounder.
Not sponsored by McDonald's.
My game froze. Unexpected error occurred in
Just
Roblox
kicked from the
Jailbreak.
game.
Why has that been happening?
I'm a rabbit, and then you won't even see me.
Bro, I'm trying to back.
I jump on this tree from a very high fall, and then I jump 2 feet down from that tree, and I take damage. Okay.
If the roadster really drives like this, it should be in NASCAR races, bro. Oh my. Jailbreak physics make it look terrible. Awaken to arrest me. What's the deal, bro? Where you at?
That's a character from an anime that I won't state.
Am I supposed to know that, bro? I don't watch anime 20%.
Me neither, but I still know what it is. Oh, I got hit. Oof, that hurt.
Alright, talk about the ball.
Oh. Huh? Okay, as soon as we get out, police notified. Okay.
Alright. Where you at?
And after bust some criminals and bank. Alright, Shaidak, are you ready? I'm about to get my 1 mil. I've played Jailbreak on like 2K, and you walked me through everything I need to know about Jailbreak, bruh. Thank you, bro.
No problem, bro.
I'll get my first 1 mil here with you, bruh. Come on, let's walk in slowly, bruh.
Bro. You guys rocking with the new glasses. I'm walking like an old man.
Oh my god, it's over. The grind for 1 mil.
No.
Oh, I want to test a roadster, bro, and I thought I'd never reach 1 mil. But look at me now, bruh. Oh my goodness.
Bro.
Oh my god. 1 mil, bruh.
Oh my.
Okay, bye guys, end the recording.
You're probably a little on the script there. Just the complete.
I'm doing the outro. Good night, good morning, good evening. See you later. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna buy a bike. Let's go.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, monster truck. Let's go.
It's not worth it. Maybe the drone. Maybe the drone.
Nah, Army Haliber. Nah, I'm by the McLaren. Hold up. Alright. But I'll end up with like $2 though, so I don't really want to end up with $2.
Epic content Fizz. No.
Oh, you want content,
No,
bro?
no, no.
Please, congrats for 1 mil. Thank you, bro.
Oh. Wow, bro. Fizz, congrats for 1 mil. Now give me 20K. Oh man.
Congrats on 1 mil. I was about to be like, this guy is so nice. Can I have 20K? Should actually give him 20K, bro. Another reaction, bro.
No. You deserve that 1 mil, bro. You deserve that 1 mil.
After a year of grinding, bro.
Oh man.
A year of grinding, bro. Like, wasn't that like 7 months?
Yeah.
I started when I met you, bro. Like, like
December.
Let's go. It's like 5 months, right?
Bro.
It's been 2 days, and I started 2 days ago at 300K, and now I got 1 mil, bro. Can I buy a drone? Actually fly it around.
I don't know, but that's up to you, honestly.
What should I buy? I don't know.
Bro. I don't know.
Oh no, I'm gonna buy a Volt bike.
No, don't do it. Oh god.
Buy drones for 1 mil.
Hold on, there's a lot of background noise in my back.
Oh my god, look at my money!
Oh. Bro.
It's not worth it, I'm leaving.
Oh. Get over here. No. No. Where you going? Alright. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night.